Hey friends, Drew here with 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation, your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, 88078 in West Grove, Pennsylvania, with one of our customers, Katie. Katie gave us a phone call because she was having a challenge and she wants to tell you a little bit about that. So Katie, tell everybody what the problem was that you called us to try to solve for you.
Sure. So we've had this leak, you guys can see it right up there, basically ever since I moved in a couple years ago. And we've been trying to solve what the issue is for, it's been over at least a year now, if not more. We thought it was the flashings on the roof. We had multiple people come out. No one was able to diagnose it. So we called 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Home Repairs and Drew came out and was able to diagnose it on his first visit. So that was awesome. We are super excited and we've had a hole in our sunroom for a year and a half now and we have a baby on the way. So it will be great not to have a hole in our ceiling.
So tell us about your experience with our team, from the phone calls with the office to us coming out to how we actually solve this for you.
Yeah, sure. So I actually found out about 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 on Facebook and reached out and they got back right away. It was super easy through email, working with Diane at the office. Scheduled an appointment for a diagnostic only trip, and that was great because I wasn't really sure. I thought normally it would just be a quote for a project, but instead they came out and they actually diagnosed the issue. So that was huge. Took the time to really find out what the problem was, got up on the roof, got up in the attic, went through all of the kind of the piping and stuff in the back, the stuff that I know nothing about, and we're able to really find exactly where the leak was behind the wall. So that was just immensely helpful, and again, no one else was really able to do that for us.
So was there anything specific, either on Facebook or whatever, that prompted you to try to give us a call? And what would you say to your neighbors who are looking for somebody to hire?
Yeah, so when I went on Facebook, I actually went to one of the 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 pages, and that's how I found 𝗗𝘁'𝘀, was saying I was looking for a contractor, and when I went to their Facebook page, I found all the reviews. So I was hopeful. I was like, hey, maybe there's a light at the end of this, because this leak is just, it's been ongoing forever. So that's what prompted me to call, and I've actually already recommended one of my neighbors so I could easily answer that question. They had a leak and they just got their roof done and they wanted some stuff fixed. So I would easily say call 𝗗𝘁'𝘀.
Awesome. So we are proud to welcome Katie to our tribe of raving fans. If there's a problem that we can solve for you, please give us a call, 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation, and option 2 for new projects. Our office staff will be happy to assist you 9:30 to 2 every day during the week. We will catch you guys on another video. This is Drew in West Grove, Pennsylvania. Bye for now.